Hi everybody, so let's get started with coding with Python. So within the computer programming language, the first main element, if you will, that we need to get a handle of is how to utilize variables. So inside of Atom, we're going to start working with some variables using the Python language to help us get started with Python. So type in your age so we can use an assignment. We can assign age. This is my age. Then, how do we print something? Type in print. It's just like actually writing, right? So then maybe we want to assign another variable, my first name. Okay, now notice I used single. I think they could be single or double. Last name. Not plus, equals. And then we could get this to print when we run it. Okay, it helps us out. We select that, comma, we want to pass in what we're passing into print. First underscore name, and then last underscore name. Also within Python, we could create these variables to create lists, which is like an array. It is an array. It's an array of items. 1, 2, 3. The number of times that I need to practice code a day. 1, 2, 3. So then you could do also nested lists, which is really cool. And then, so that's basically like a list, a string of lists. An array of lists. Like this. So this is how it would look. Separated by a comma. Notice the bracket. Hope you're having as much fun as I am. Just getting started with Python. It's cool. And then, you know, with the boolean value, it's true or false. And then we have to close it. And then if we wanted to print, we could actually print nested lists too. And then it would show up in at the bottom here. I'm going to show you guys. Alright, thank you, Python. Nested lists, what do we want to print from our nested list? Let's go with first item. Second item. Okay, let's run this. Save. Let's do a command I run. Oh, we have an invalid syntax error on line 10. Now that's the thing. When you're using new programs, maybe it's this. Let's try to do this again. Yeah, that was it. So yeah, you gotta be careful. See how I just had that error? Have to watch out. So it actually, we did print age. It printed 36. We did print first name, comma, first underscore name, comma, last underscore name, and it did on the same line, Conchetta Dudley. And then we A, B, C, and then 2. Hopefully that helps you get started with variables in Python. Just get started with Python. It's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome.